To strengthen resistance for the epidemic season, it is very important to know which foods should be avoided or supplemented for the body. However, how to prioritize foods or to preserve them, not everyone knows. Strengthening resistance will help us prevent viral pathogens from invading so that the body's apparatus, including the immune system, needs to have a reasonable diet during. Food groups you should eat? Basically, we still have to supplement 4 food groups. Each type of food has specific nutrients. We should eat a variety of balanced foods. The body will have enough nutrients, which means we have a healthy immune system and enhance resistance against COVID. Food groups that need to be supplemented include starch, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Food groups which are rich in carbohydrates from vermicelli, bread provide energy. Protein, fat build components of an immune system. Group of foods which are rich in protein are from meat, fish, eggs, milk. A little fat is from oils or nuts. In particular, double the amount of green vegetables and fruits in the diet to provide the body with adequate nutrients. In addition to the 4 main food groups, we should avoid overusing processed foods. Drinking water and eating fruit also have a lot of effects, so it should be prioritized during the epidemic season. We should drink 2 liters of water per day. Herbal teas, juices, fruits rich in vitamins. Avoid stimulant drinks such as beer, wine, energy drinks, coffee. How to storage food correctly. However, during the epidemic season, shopping and going out are limited. Therefore, right from the shopping and preservation stage, we also have to know how to choose the most reasonable foods. Storing food must be accompanied by preservation or AW. Meat and fresh food should only be stored in the freezer for 4 to 5 days, no more than 1 week. Limit the storage of perishable vegetables. Should store vegetables such as carrots, pumpkins. Limiting the storage of instant noodles is harmful to heal. Food groups you should not eat. The World Health Organization (WHO) recommends that people should not eat wild animals, fresh foods such as raw seafood, raw meat and meals during the epidemic season because they have harmful effects on the body. They can carry parasitic pathogens. Instead, we can choose foods with equivalent nutrient content such as fatty fish, pork, beef. Beef contains high levels of zinc, which is beneficial for the prevention of diseases caused by viruses, creating white blood cells to help the immune system work better. Meanwhile, chicken contains many nutrients, sweetness, warmth, and prevents water retention. Shellfish such as clams, oysters, and shrimp are also good choices of phosphorus, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and zinc. Fish is also a food that the Ministry of Health has included in the food list that should be used during the epidemic season. In addition, adding spices such as garlic and onions also helps increase the body's resistance. Instant noodles are still chosen as the #1 priority food of families during the epidemic season. However, instant noodles can cause many health effects that you do not expect. If we eat instant noodles continuously and consider noodles to replace the main meal, we are wrong and seriously lacking in nutrients. Instead, we should replace it with other dry starches such as rice, potatoes, vermicelli, nuts such as beans, and peanuts. These are foods that both provide starch and provide healthy protein and vegetable fats. We should eat rightly, eat enough, have balanced nutrition, choose food wisely, store well, eat well to increase resistance during this epidemic season.